So depending on what the material is that we're cleaning, most of materials will go into a biohazard box that gets sealed up, transported back to our office, and stored until the medical waste companies will come and pick that up. If it's something, let's for example, hardwood floors that maybe there was trauma on that's soaked in blood, we will cut out the hardwood floors if we need to. And those will either cut them into smaller pieces and again put them in that biohazard box, or we'll at least wipe them down, spray some disinfectant on it, and then they can be disposed of in regular trash. If something like a mattress or a couch that someone maybe died on, we will actually dismantle that couch, whether it be the cushions or the back of the couch or the armrest. We'll cut it apart, take the soft part of that, put them in that medical waste box. And once we're confident that all the biohazard materials are off that couch, then we can throw the rest of the couch in the regular trash.